Reno has always been my favorite series in OPPO's lineup. Compared to the Flagship Fine series, Reno has brought us more personalized and vibrant designs over the years, and the series always has great size control. So obviously, Reno is a great choice for those who care more than just performance. OPPO recently released the latest Reno 9 series, but this time the biggest change is not just in appearance and the camera system, but finally about performance. The most powerful performance for the lineup is also brought to this new generation, so let's see how this Reno 9 Pro Plus performs. Compared with the previous products, the packaging of the Reno 9 series has changed a lot. It looks more like a Realme's packaging style, but is more low profile. OPPO even removed all the setting points from the packaging, which makes me pretty curious about this phone. Inside the packaging, we got a phone case, a user manual, a warranty card, and a gift card. In addition to these, we have a USB cable and an 80-watt SuperVOOC charger. This is the brand new Reno 9 Pro Plus, and I must say that over the years, OPPO has been like one of the most authoritative experts in the field of color. They always find the most pleasing colors. This light green color makes me feel very comfortable. It looks like the most delightful green plants in summer or those sweet candies we had in childhood. There are some very delicate and fine particles on the back cover that gives a comfortable touch, and obviously, it prevents fingerprints from staining very well. OPPO has once again completely redesigned the camera module, and this new module has a better transition to the body. The Reno 9 Pro Plus no longer has a flat and sharp frame, and of course, the screen and back cover are edge curved, so you can get a very comfortable grip. Unlike the curved sides, the top and bottom of the Reno 9 Pro Plus are flat, so you feel much less pressure when you hold the phone with your pinky finger, and you can stand the phone up, which doesn't make any sense, but it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? On the top of the phone, we can see that in addition to the microphone and the speaker, there's an additional opening with an infrared transmitter inside, so you can remotely control many home appliances via infrared without an app or any smart equipment. Reno 9 Pro Plus comes with a 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMOLED screen, which now has a narrow bezels compared to its predecessor, and just like a Realme 10 Pro, the screen also supports high-frequency PWM dimming, which allows a more comfortable reading or viewing in low-light environments while keeping beautiful colors and high contrast. After using countless Sony IMX7.6 sensors in their phones, OPPO has finally brought an even more powerful sensor to its latest product, the new IMX890 sensor, which is especially more efficient in image processing and video recording. And with the help of Merit Silicon X NPU, both photos and videos can get better details and dynamic range, and the image you see on the camera app's viewfinder is the one you can finally get, which allows you to have better control over exposure. Here are some photos and videos taken by the Reno 9 Pro Plus, and from these samples we can see that the Reno 9 Pro Plus does have a very noticeable improvement with delightful colors and contrast. The improvement is not only in the rear camera, but the Reno 9 Pro Plus now supports autofocus in the front camera, which allows you to get better detail and nice depth of field when taking selfies and recording vlogs. The Reno 9 Pro Plus is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 platform, but things are a bit funny here. Rather than using a less powerful chipset, the 8 Plus Gen 1 is running at a lower clocking on this phone, which in theory gives the phone better battery life and reduces the heat when playing games. Here are some benchmarks for your reference. Honestly, I was a little concerned about the Reno 9 Pro Plus performance before doing the gaming test, because such a combat body usually means inefficient cooling, but after 20 minutes of running the Genshin Impact at its highest graphics settings, the frame rate still maintained at above 55 FPS, which was well beyond my expectations. It seems that the lower frequency of the chipset didn't much affect its gaming performance. To keep the weight under control, the Reno 9 Pro Plus only has a 4700 mAh battery, but thanks to the light ColorOS 13 that brings us a number of battery optimization options, the battery is still more than enough for a full-day use, and the phone can be fully charged in 35 minutes with the support of 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charging. Well, that's all about the OPPO Reno 9 Pro Plus. The changes are so great that it looks like the phone comes from a new product line. After all these years of continuous improvement and evolution, OPPO has finally built a product that has a perfect balance between design, performance, and photography. which is even better than their flagship lineups. My only hope here is that OPPO can bring IP68 support to the next generation of Reno. Alright, this is all for today. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I'm Will from Gizmochina. See you next time.